Welcome to Mountain Valley Real Estate, where you get to virtually walk the property with me so you can get a superior boots on the ground feel for the property. Hey Land Squatch, how are we going to get across this pond? Get any bright ideas? I didn't think so. I have an idea, however. Right here. A boat! We'll float across. What do you think about that? You like that, huh? Nice. Well, should we get going? Okay, let's go. You're funny. All right, we're gonna get going. Well, we'll get to the other side. No worries. This is great. So how deep is this? Pause the video. Take a guess. I just happened to bring a measuring tape. Go ahead, I'll wait. I can wait all day in here. This is awesome. Ready for it? It's 8 feet right here. 8 feet deep. By the way, I held a secret from you. This isn't an ordinary boat. This is a jet boat. Let's see if it works. What do you think? Here we go. Oh yeah! It works! Oh, that's awesome. No gas needed. Oh yeah. Hey, Land Squatch found a cave. Let's go explore this cave. Oh, we got a bird nest. Anybody home? Oh, yeah, it's a short cave. Oh, short cave. Whoa, look at that. Back into the natural habitat sunlight. Oh, Weber grill. Nice. I'll let you know when dinner's ready. Land squatch is out in full force today and raring to show this epic sensation. Welcome to Mountain Valley Real Estate. I'm John, as usual, and this is my buddy, Land Squatch. If you are new here, please subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my new property videos released Fridays at 5 p.m. So you're going to enjoy this video, I can tell you that much. Let me start by showing you the way in. So this is 40 acres, also known as lot 190 Straight Arrow Road in Ono, O-N-O, California. And the property is listed at $119,500. Seller financing is not available on this one, so you will need all the funds from your bank. Situated on Straight Arrow Road, this heart-shaped property is right on target for love at first sight. This expansive 40-acre property offers a rare combination of natural features and practical infrastructure, including a calming pond, great for reflection. In addition, when seasonal rains awaken it, the 24-foot waterfall comes to life, cascading dramatically and commanding attention. Roughly a quarter mile of seasonal creek gracefully winds through the property, adding in natural beauty and character. A thoughtfully designed 10 by 12 utility shed with a loft combines functional storage with a comfortable place to relax, while a 600-watt solar-powered well with backup generator supports off-grid capability to support your water needs. The well flows approximately 6 gallons per minute with solar and 16 gallons per minute with a generator and goes into a 2,500-gallon water tank. There is irrigation feeding the 14 by 20 root veggie greenhouse and an 8-foot-high quarter-acre fenced orchard used for pomegranates, grapes, and figs. About 7 acres of the property is fully fenced. There is a 10 by 26 chicken coop and lean-to for your animals. At roughly 1,300 feet elevation, snowfall is uncommon here. Captivating natural settings throughout the property offer versatile opportunities for recreation, retreat, exploration, or future uses. There is no septic and the driveway and structures are not permitted. There are some light CCRs, that's covenants, conditions, restrictions, from 1979, and road maintenance of just $250 per year, so four-wheel drive is not required. The property is just 27 miles to Redding, California's amenities, and there is no HOA, homeowners association. My cell phone does work up at the top of the hill over here where the water tank is. Property taxes here are just over 1% of the assessed value per year. The zoning is A1, which is limited ag. I'm going to throw that up on the screen here for you. Alrighty, first thing we're going to do, we're going to explore the utility shed. Then we're going to go over to the water tank well area. And then we're going to explore the root greenhouse, root veggie greenhouse. Then we're going to go over here to explore in detail the orchard. And then there's a lean-to over here and chicken coop. And then there's a fenced-in large acreage area, back of the property, all that. We'll explore that. We go over here. There's some views. You can see Mount Lassen. Going to show you that. Pond just down there. Definitely going to show you that. And on the other side of the hill over here is that massive 24-foot seasonal waterfall. Let's get going. Okay, so today we are starting in the Sacramento area, state capital. Most people know where that is. We're going to head 2 hours roughly 2.5 hours north up to or toward Redding, California here. There's Redding, Interstate 5, Redding here, property here. It's about a 45-minute drive to the property roughly, depending on your speed of acquisition. Anyway, we're going to zoom in here, see the property. You can see the creek running through. I'm going to go 3-dimensional here, give you a good feel here for the topography layout. Straight arrow road goes right along the frontage here. This is straight arrow road. Here's the property. And you can see this path leading in goes like this. I'm going to show you in a few minutes here the particulars of what's what on the property and its approximate location. It's easier than me just trying to point it out here, so that'll come up here in a minute. But here's what it looks like. Alright, let's get back to the action, shall we? Got a large flat area right there. Little table. We've got some stairs going down. Alright, here's the front of the utility shed. Let's see what we've got here. Nice. I like that. Looks like it's in good shape. I don't know if you can see that. Let's go inside. Hello? Land Squatch Services? Oh yeah, look at that. What do we got? We've got a refrigerator in the corner. Storage. We've got a mirror. Window. This is a 2000 watt battery. I think that's charged by the solar outside. 99%. Yeah, I'd say it's pretty full. Very nice. Stairs. Goes up to a loft. Oh, let's go check that out. Oh yeah. Oh, cool. They can fit a lot of stuff up here, that's for sure. Got some cool views. See that? The pond down there. You can see part of it. Nice. Looking yummy. Got a butterfly. Cute. More storage under there. And behind the door, we have Fort Knox. Whew. Let's see here. No. See if I can open. Yay, got it open. Well, I think they took the gold bars, but at least you got a place to store yours. Very cool. That's pretty neat. Well, let's check out the little compartment next door, shall we? Very nice. Little storage area here. And what do we have here? Looks like we have a generator. Generac. 3600. We have, that's an air conditioning unit. Got a freezer. Looks like it's in really nice shape. Looks clean. Very clean. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's check out the other side. Yeah, so we got solar here. I think that's powering the battery inside. Yeah. So keep in mind, there's no plumbing here. There's no septic. So it doesn't have everything, but it's a good place to get out of the elements. Okay, so this looks like propane here. Propane runs inside, in case you want to run something off of propane. All right. Oh, I love this. Isn't that cool? Put this back. Oh, this right here looks like you could probably put another solar panel thing on there. I'm guessing that's what it's for, maybe. Land Squatch, move it. Thank you. Got a big flat area here. We should go check out the water. It's time to transport. Here's a layout of what's on the property and its approximate location. Might find that useful and interesting. As you can see on the map, we are the blue dot. Approximate property boundaries are in red. 40 acres worth. We are where the well and water tank is. As you can see on the map here, we are next to the solar, which is right in front of me here. This is where the cell phone works. I've got 2 bars at 4G, and that is the root veggie greenhouse right there. This is the utility shed. Cell phone works. That was a text message. And then we've got some glare, so I can't see. But other than that, by the way, pond's right down there. I hear the frogs. Hear that? Oh, that's a dog too, but all right, we got the solar powered well with a generator backup. In here, we will find the well itself. That's the well, plumbing. The orchard is irrigated. A Grundfos, very good brand name. And then your generator backup is in the next little building here, on this side, right here. You can see that right there. That's your generator backup if you wanted. You could sit here and make a call. But I've got work to do. Let's get going. Okay. Let's go to the greenhouse. Here's what that looks like. Let's go inside. Go ahead, I'll get the door for you. Go first. Feel free. There you go. I feel like I want to grow since I'm in here. It's kind of weird. But I do feel like I need some water first. Okay. Looks like it's in great shape. You got a hose here.
for watering. Although we have a cactus, so we don't need any water right now, do we? Nope. Sorry, it looked dark. It's because this bright light on the left side. There you go. So you can get in and you can get out. And I see the pond. I can't wait to go over there. Moving on. Let's go to the orchard area. So this looks like it's got irrigation as well. It's like some good feed. Lots of tall grass here. Almost makes me hungry. Must be the animal in me. Oh, it's a land squatch. That's what it is. This is the 8-foot high, whatever, 8.5. Really tall fencing. It's like, you know, I can't reach it kind of fencing. I'm sure land squash could jump over it, but I can't do it. So these fruit trees and some of the grapes, I think they're still alive. There's some growths on them, as in they're starting to bud, some of these things. We've got irrigation as well. If you can see the pipes, there's a whole row of them over there. 3 rows. Some of the fruit trees here. We've got irrigation set up right here. Right there. And I think you saw the one over by the building. There's a faucet over there as well. Chicken coop. Looks like it would hold a lot of chickens. Or one land squatch. I don't think he lays eggs though, so that's a problem. Alright, let's look at this. Yeah. Looks like we got a hose running out to here too. So they have water. Oh, didn't leave any eggs for me. Maybe during Easter, huh? I don't see any eggs. Okay, well, that's alright, I had lunch. Lean-to. Then we'll go see the pond. Here's the lean-to. Just a little cover for your animals. What are you doing in there, buddy? I hear frogs over there. Hear that? All right, let's go down to the pond. So the 7 acres of fenced in area. Looks like it's fully fenced. It goes right along here. We're going to go down there and on the other side because there's more property on the other side of that. All right, so we're at the pond here. Okay, so this is the about 7 acres or so of fenced in area. If you want your horses or something in here. This is open range, cattle friendly country. So you're not supposed to fence off all 40. I think it says that in those CCRS. Some people do it anyway, but you're not supposed to. So we can go through here and get to the other side of this fenced in area. So you get all this too. You see where we are on the map. Boundary being somewhere right about where that fence line is, as far as that boundary goes. You've got a little seasonal creek down here. coming from up that direction. And you get all this up here. And the point of the property, I think, goes up this direction. Property goes up a little further. Right about there. Let's go check out the bigger creek on the other side of the property. We're going to do the big transport. On our way to the other side of the property where the bigger creek is. Still seasonal. I want to show you this big flat area. Right here. The solar powered well is right up there. Can you see it? Just past the green grass right there. There's also a killer view of Mount Lassen. If you're here with your eyeball, this is what it looks like. Pretty impressive, isn't it? All right, on to the creek. No, we're not having shoe shish kebabs. This means there's a path for your foot to go down right there. What kind of bush is this? That's right, manzanita. Ooh, look at that. Waterfall's right up there. Okay, I'm at the waterfall. This property already has a well drilled. Looks like a nice one. You've got a little structure on it. Shed, utility room area, and then some more storage next to it. You've got this cool waterfall. There's like a creek right here. And you've got another one on the other side of the property. You've got fencing areas. You've got an orchard. It's irrigated. Get the water tank going, but backup generator, solar powered, off the grid. This is all off grid out here. Don't need 4-wheel drive to get here. Just a few miles on a dirt road. It's maintained. Got views of Mount Lassen. You got good areas of the property to work with if you want animals. You got a nice cool pond. Should be seasonal. But you do have a well. Maybe you can make it year round if you wanted. A lot of possibilities with this one, so yeah, let me know if you got any comments, any questions. If you like this property, check out that one right there, or this one over here. See you on the next video. Land Squatch out.